Welcome back to Health for You. Ever notice those puffy under-eye bags staring back at you in the morning? You're not alone. Under-eye puffiness is a universal frustration caused by things like late nights, salty foods, allergies, or just genetics. The skin beneath our eyes is delicate and quick to show stress. But the good news? Many natural remedies are hiding right in your kitchen. Today, we'll reveal 17 easy ways to reduce under-eye puffiness using simple, accessible ingredients. Grab a pen, take some notes, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Health for You. Let's dive in. First up, the humble potato. Chill a potato, slice it, and place the cool discs over your eyes for 10-15 minutes. The cold reduces swelling, while potato enzymes help brighten and soothe the skin. It's a quick, earthy fix for tired eyes. Green tea isn't just for sipping. Its antioxidants and tannins tighten skin and fight puffiness. Steep 2 bags, chill them, and rest them on your eyes for 15-20 minutes. It's a calming, effective ritual for refreshed eyes. Sleeping on your back with your head elevated helps prevent fluid from pooling under your eyes. Just add an extra pillow and let gravity work in your favor. A simple sleep tweak can make a big difference in morning puffiness. Dab a thin layer of raw honey under your eyes and let it sit for 10-15 minutes. Honey's anti-inflammatory and hydrating properties help reduce puffiness and soften skin. Rinse gently for a sweet, soothing treatment. Too much salt leads to fluid retention, especially under the eyes. Cut back on salty foods and processed snacks to help prevent puffiness from the inside out. Opt for fresh foods and season with herbs instead. Egg whites tighten and firm the skin instantly. Apply a thin layer of egg white under your eyes. Let it dry for 10-15 minutes, then rinse. The protein acts like a natural skin lifter. It's a quick fix for smoother, less puffy eyes. Quality sleep is essential for skin repair and reducing puffiness. Aim for 7-9 hours in a cool, dark room and avoid screens before bed. Prioritizing rest lets your body naturally heal and refresh your eyes. Chilled cucumber slices are a classic for a reason. Their high water content and vitamin C soothe, hydrate, and reduce swelling. Place slices over your eyes for 15 minutes for instant relief. It's a timeless, refreshing ritual. Mix baking soda with a little water to form a paste. Gently apply under your eyes, let dry for 10-15 minutes, then rinse. Baking soda calms inflammation and brightens skin. Use with care for a noticeable difference. Soak cotton pads in cold whole milk and place them on your eyes for 15 minutes. The lactic acid and fats soothe, hydrate, and reduce puffiness. It's a gentle, nourishing treatment for tired eyes. Chilled rose water on cotton pads calms, tightens, and refreshes under-eye skin. Relax for 15 minutes and let the anti-inflammatory properties work. It's a fragrant, soothing experience for both skin and senses. Aloe vera gel is packed with vitamins and hydrates deeply. Gently massage pure gel under your eyes and let it absorb. No need to rinse. It soothes, reduces puffiness, and nourishes delicate skin. Smoking damages skin and worsens under-eye bags. Quitting allows your skin to heal, improves circulation, and reduces puffiness. It's one of the most powerful changes you can make for healthier skin. Mix coffee grounds with a little coconut oil or water to make a paste. Apply under your eyes for 10-15 minutes, then wipe away. Caffeine constricts blood vessels, reducing swelling fast. It's an energizing boost for tired eyes. Chill 2 metal spoons and press them gently under your eyes for a few minutes. The cold shrinks blood vessels and quickly reduces puffiness. Rotate spoons for a continuous cooling effect. It's a simple, instant remedy. Dilute fresh lemon juice with water, dab under your eyes and rinse after 10 minutes. Vitamin C brightens and tightens, but use sparingly to avoid irritation. This remedy helps lighten dark circles and reduce puffiness. Gently pat a few drops of almond oil under your eyes before bed. Rich in vitamins, it hydrates, soothes, and can lighten dark circles over time. Leave it on overnight for best results. There you have it. 17 natural ways to tackle under-eye bags. From potatoes to rose water, these remedies are simple, affordable, and effective. Remember, healthy habits like good sleep and a balanced diet make all the difference. Which remedy will you try first? Share your tips in the comments. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Health for You. Hit the bell for more wellness tips. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy.